Real roads, real mistakes, real lessons. Welcome to Road Rebels Dashcam. Here, defensive driving isn't a choice, it's surviving. Buckle up, stay alert, and let's roll.
It makes me super mad. Hunter's an amazing kid.
Oh my god!
Becoming a dad himself, but unfortunately that's not happening.
Dude, that guy got...
Current loop video is now locked. To cancel the call, please choose.
What the fuck? Jesus!
Successfully take a photo.
Oh my god.
और उसमें मतलब मैनेजमेंट का तो रोल है ही है, प्लस माँ बाप का।
Mass surveillance of Americans, or to build weapon systems that do not need human approval to fire. Well, this week, Anthropic's CEO said no.
The constitutional protections in our military structure.
The fuck? What the fuck was that?
I bet he's gonna turn in here.
Oh my gosh, this is
No.
crazy. No. Oh my gosh.
What did he do? Oh my gosh.
Call Coleman.
It's electric. All right, guys, spring will be here before before you know it. So, if you've been thinking about fixing your chest, this is it. Now is the time to move. I've been telling you about the chest in Boston and their awake gynecomastia procedure.
Must be getting crowded in there. Wheels are silos.
Oh my god.
And then you can say, well, okay, so these was making a mozza.
What the fuck?
It's breaking. I bet he's gonna turn in here.
Oh my gosh, this is
No.
crazy. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh.
Oh. What did he do? Oh my gosh.
Roads are terrible.
Oh! Really, dude?
I was meant to be new. I was meant to be beautiful.